all I can fit in. The big one fit or the small one? Will that fit? Oh yeah. Do I put butter on the green beans? Just a little bit of butter? A pat of butter. There you go. Salisbury steak. Butter on the green beans. This goes in the freezer. Okay, she's frozen. Let's cover her up. Of course, I'm going to have to peel back the potatoes when we're ready to cook it, because that's what you do. You peel back the potatoes. I'll see you tomorrow. Good Wednesday. Frozen. I've looked at a lot of old boxes. Some say 30 to 40 minutes. Some say 400 to 425 degrees. All of them with the potatoes say to pull the foil back on the old ones, exposing the potatoes. These tater tots are supposed to cook for 26 minutes at 425. I want to cook this for 35 minutes. That's in between 30 and 40. 35 minutes might be too long. They may burn. Let's expose the tater tots.
It's not like the modern ones with the plastic. Okay, let's get this right. That looks good.
This is a big Salisbury steak. I'm sure it's bigger than what they did. Let's put it in the oven. Ow! Salisbury steak, TV dinner. And go. 20 seconds. I'm nervous. 3, 2, 1. You ready? Here we go. Whoa. Oh. Ooh. Oh, it's steaming. When this was cooking, I could smell it. Well, the taters are loose. Very good. I did not season the green beans. It looks hot. Is it cool in the middle? I don't know. Tater tot. They came out good. I was so worried they were burned. Little salt. Salt is good for the heart. Like these metal trays. These green beans might be hot. Green beans! TV dinner, green beans! Cooked through, they're nice and soft. They don't look too bad. They don't look like Cracker Barrel. Have you seen the green beans at Cracker Barrel? Gravy? Gravy's thick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Salisbury steak TV dinner? Could I be any more excited? Says Chandler. Dip it in some gravy. Oh. The things we do! Oh, that's fun. Gravy tastes really good. I will link to the recipe. I changed it a little bit. You know, so I'm not completely without a recipe. This was more about the TV dinner. Let's try it again. Oh, I didn't do a beauty shot. Oh well. That tastes really good. You may notice that I just dumped the flour in. That was a mistake. That was a rookie mistake, and I know better. You need to take a little bit of sauce or gravy in a ramekin, say, add the flour and mix it in. Don't add it into a big bowl. It's really hard to get out the lumps, so I apologize for that. Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. You know what I'm going to say? Thanks for watching.